Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gastly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw an angle up and over to the left side. Now from the top, we're going to step down and draw a long curve down and back up. Now for the right eye, let's draw a longer angle over to the right side. And a larger curve underneath, like this. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a small oval. And color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's draw a curve over and across to the other one. Then underneath on the left, let's draw a point down and up. And the same thing on the right for the teeth. Now next to the left tooth, let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve across. And continue it up on the other side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye and we're going to draw a large circular curve around to the right and back up underneath. And that's it for the head. Lastly, we're going to draw the gas around. Let's start on the top left next to the eye and let's draw a wavy line up and across. And let's continue our way around. You can follow my pattern or create your own. And lastly, let's add a few more blobs around. Let's draw one on the top left here, one on top in the center, a larger one on the right side, and two at the bottom. And that's it for Gastly. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!